the architecture. So we've just been in to see the Eco Visionaries exhibition at the Royal Academy, and I went with my friend who I've now recruited as my camera woman, and it was quite interesting. I don't think we were in the right frame of mind to see an exhibition. We kind of walked around in a day, so it was very educational and quite heavy, all about the impact of climate change and global warming, and we basically learned that the jellyfish are going to take over the world when the humans become extinct, so you know, watch out. Okay, now we're going to go and see another exhibition, which is Lucian Freud's painting, so hopefully that will be nice, and that is one of the perks of being a PhD student, is occasionally you get free exhibition tickets. Great. Very Christmassy. The lovely sculptures sitting there. Time for some coffees and rain. Yeah, your sparkly nails are in it, don't worry. They are a starring feature. Hi, it's me again. It's much later. I'm now walking down the road to go to Knit Night at Wild and Woolly whilst holding a selfie stick in the middle of Hackney. I can't tell you how self-conscious I feel. I'm now walking down a side street to avoid people, not that I know anyone. Yeah, so we saw the Lucian Freud earlier. I didn't love it. I guess it was a lot of self-portraits and they're quite subjective, but I basically didn't love the colours. I thought it was really depressing, and he just seemed like a really sad old man, and I guess he's you know, known for his sort of surface texture and the painting and so on, but it was, someone's staring at me, but it was all just so dull, like grey and beige, and yeah, just didn't love that. So I guess revolutionary for his time, but not for me, so we were quite glad that we got the tickets for free. As I said, it's a perk that you occasionally get being an art student. And yeah, now I'm just on my way down to Wild and Woolly. I've made my detour down a side street. People are probably not looking at me, and if they are, then I can't see them because I'm looking at a reflection of myself. Alright, see you later. Here it is. We are almost ready for Christmas Knit Night, so I'll probably say goodbye now. So we're at the end of the Christmas Knit Night at Wild and Woolly, and this is Gail.
Hi.
And how do you feel, Gail?
Brilliant.
Are you ready for Christmas?
I am ready for Christmas.
Have you knitted everything?
No.
Have you knitted a tree?
No.
Have you knitted a pudding?
No. I have knitted tree ornaments though.
Oh, that's very impressive.
And I have got my Christmas tree.
Oh, she's more prepared than me. Super, that's the end of today's Vlogmas. See you tomorrow. Bye.